We were sent this watercolor paint set. I'm gonna open it, unbox it, and show you what's inside. But first of all, meet our artists who are gonna be watercoloring. These are my daughters. Okay, now let's look inside. I thought it just arrived so beautifully. You get this most amazing bag. Look at this little set. So let's open it up and they'll show you what's inside. So you have your brushes, comes with all the colors.
Yeah.
You get some of the neon colors, there's metallics, and then it tells you all the basic colors, the iridescence, the neons. You can paint them on there so you can kind of see how they look. And then I was also really impressed that it came with watercolor paper. So I love that this is like perfect for beginners so that everything is in one set. So we are ready to begin. Let's go. It's great that it's kid-friendly, but also if you're a professional artist, this is high-quality watercolors and brushes. I love that the kit can also be great for travel too. Good job. As someone who hasn't personally watercolored in years, I was surprised by how much I enjoyed doing this. I love that this kit is perfect for all ages, really therapeutic and fun. Iridescent colors really actually have some sparkle in it. I love this kit. This would make a really good gift as well. My abstract watercolor masterpiece. Pretty good, huh? I like it.